Hey YouTube, it's Emmanuel from Techlnsomnia here, and this is my unboxing, setup tutorial, and review video on the Pixel 6. So we'll go ahead and get this. As you can see, fresh Pixel 6. Wow. Really nice packaging straight up the front. I like this. Right from the beginning. A nice little tab. What an incredible phone. Hey! I love this glass mirrored back to the phone. Very nice. Nice and reflective. Put this off to the side for the good part. Wow. Gorgeous phone. Absolutely gorgeous. The design on this phone is just impeccable. Got the USB port, those two speaker holes. A little bit hard to see. I'm trying out a new camera today. All in all, very nice phone. Very nice design. I mean, there's a lot of mixed opinions on the protruding camera for this phone, but I mean, all in all, I think it's very nice design. We've got the so obviously the phone. Let's get it powered on. Comes right up. We've got the charger. Looks like it comes with a Type-C adapter for USB charger. Cable in the box. Looks like it is the Type-C, full Type-C cable, which is nice. Really nice phone. We've got here the packaging. I guess this is the little booklet with the SIM card key. So yeah, let's get to the setup. Select English. Canada. Get started. Connect to your mobile network. Okay, no problem. Enter to skim. Let's skip this for now. All Wi-Fi networks. Pop in my Wi-Fi network. Got it connecting now. I love the design. I love the feel of the phone. I love not too heavy, not too light. Very nice. Nice and grippy. Obviously I've got my gloves on, but so far so good. Okay, so now an option comes up, copy apps and data. You can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. So we're gonna go ahead and click next. I'm not gonna use my old device, but I would like to log in with my Gmail account. We're just going to skip this. Perfect, so now we've got to the sign-in screen for your Gmail account. I'm going to enter mine in and sign into my Gmail account. Okay, so this option is basically confirming that my account was successfully added to the device, so we're going to go ahead and click next. Now, this screen is basically asking if I would like to restore backups from my alternative devices, which are listed here, my OnePlus 8T, my OnePlus 9. We're going to go ahead and click Don't Restore here in the bottom, just because I'd like to set this up as a new device. Now, here we have the option to use location. I'm going to select use location, but make sure that the allow scanning is disabled, and send usage and diagnostic data is also disabled. This will just basically give me a little bit more performance and better battery life because there's less happening in the background of the phone while I'm using it. Install updates and apps. Okay, accept. Now this is going to ask me, this is basically asking me if I want to back up this phone with my Google One account. I'm going to select not now. This will ask me to set up a PIN. So for the security purpose of this phone, I'm going to set up a PIN right now. So I've set up my PIN, and now it's asking if I would like to set up a fingerprint to unlock this device. I'm going to select no thanks, just to bypass this process. Continue setup. We'll do the rest of this after. Leave and get reminder. Review additional apps. This just basically goes over what other apps are going to be installed on this device. I guess we could keep everything. I mean, personally, I don't really use some of these apps, but we'll keep it all enabled for the sake of this setup tutorial. Click OK. Swipe to navigate your phone, learn gestures to go home, go back and switch apps. We'll go try it. Swipe to go home, which is going to be from the bottom. Nice. I like how they make it very, very intuitive. Swipe to go back. Let's see, swipe to go back. Nice. Now the next one. Swipe to switch apps. Perfect. Select done. Ready. Now swipe to go home. Okay, so I've got the phone set up now. Let's just go ahead and just go through some of the apps. Check out some of the speed. Wow. Looks like it's really seems very, very fast, very responsive. Let's open up the camera. Let's go back. All in all, it seems like a really, really great phone. I mean, it's fast, responsive. Yeah, so that is my unboxing, brief setup tutorial, and design review of the Pixel 6 from Google. Probably not one of the best review videos out there, but this is my first one. Bear with me, and if you guys found value, please do like and subscribe, and there'll be more tech-related videos in the future to come, more improved tech-related videos in the near future to come. Appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for all the support, and hope you have a great day.